I'm David Headley, and I decided to do a run chart on 2022 referral data. The reason that I decided to or chose to do 2022 referral data is to try to look at the information and see where the trends are so that I could have an accurate depiction with a graph of when it's going up and if it's going to go down. So the first thing I'll look for are shifts. I don't have any 6 points below. I got 1, 2 here, 3, one kind of on, and then one below. It is, with our line being at 23, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4. So we need 6. We don't have it. No shift. Trends, 5 consecutive up or down. We see a trend here from January, February, March, April, and May, just starting out kind of low, slight raise, and then up and over the median. No data for June or July. Come back in August, and that is our first astronomical point. The reason that it is so low is due to the fact that we're coming back from the summer break, new classes, new rules being instituted. So I feel like that is the reason for that extremely low point. Then we see a pretty sharp rise in September to 34, and it is starting to form into a trend. It exponentially higher. We get our next astronomical point where we would look into what's going on here. Why is this shooting up like this? The explanation that I would give is that we have 4 new content teachers, all of which do not have any, they don't have certifications, they don't have official training in classroom management. And at that point, this is where we're going to step in and do a PD right there in October. We're going to see a drastic drop in November, and it is going to continue in December to drop. So the purpose of this data and this graph is to I'm going to keep it going and add January, February, March, April to see if it continues to drop, if it'll continue to trend down, because we had that upward trend. I believe that had we not had the PD, it would have continued on upward, probably not at this sharp rate, but it would have continued to continue or stabilize somewhere in this range. I don't have enough data to make that assumption, but that is my hypothesis based on what I've seen and the factors involved. So that is my run chart for my referral data. The other thing I'd like to draw attention to is all with this data coming from the end of last year. That's where we had 4 veteran teachers in the core teacher role, and all of them were have since left. So just to tie in with my PD and explain this part of the data.